Next up on Voltaire Travels.
Travel, the elixir of life. I've been to dozens of countries, and I love beaches. In the past 6 months, Olga and I have fallen in love with the Philippines. The salty breeze on our faces, the kindness of the people, and the endless white beaches. We believe travel is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the world. For us, it's not just a pastime, it's a calling. Today we're going to take you on a short trip to one of the most beautiful beaches in Busuanga, Palawan, Pass Island. Hi guys, we just arrived in paradise. We are here at Pass Island and it is incredibly beautiful. What do you think?
I have no words, honestly. It feels like a paradise, and it feels like this island is only for us.
Yes, we're going to explore this whole island, show you guys around. We just got here, and this is one of the more beautiful islands that I've seen here in Coron. I'm super excited, so stay tuned.
You sick of all the same dudes running up, follow you around, hope you fall in love, but they don't see you like I do, yeah. All your friends, they see it too, that I'm the one who looks you in the eye, speaking like I mean it, what's inside, know these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love, tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring, always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love, tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring, always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one step ahead of you, holding open doors when you're walking up, cause they don't see me like you.
Such a paradise. That's so cool. Seems like you can stay on this island overnight. There's nice shade from the palms. So cool. Robert got his drone. Gonna fly drone? Gonna show you the view. Let's check what's inside there. I wonder. The grass is so green and feels so nice to walk on it. I'm not sure if I can show what's inside of that hut. No, the door is closed. So, no luck. So there's many huts on this island and have nice view. Roosters are already screaming or still screaming. Kitty, kitty, kitty. She says hi. Lucky kitty living in paradise. So nice. Look around. This Pass Island is very beautiful.
It's incredible. Wow, this beach is amazing. And we have such a beautiful day. So this is probably where the locals live, right here. Looks like there's some children. We're walking in someone's yard right now. Got chickens and our rooster.
Oh, this is the fighter.
Is it?
Yes, because he is on the leash.
I wonder what the reasoning is. I wonder if the male roosters, because I always see roosters on the leash, but the chickens run free. Do they fight amongst each other? Here's another one up top here. He's like the boss. He's like, everyone stay down there. I am the boss.
But this is not rooster, it's chicken.
He said, I'm offended. I'm a rooster. I'm not a chicken.
Alright. Sorry, bro.
And of course they have their own basketball hoop.
Oh, look, there's a ball. Oh my god.
Whoa, some bug just dive bombed on you. I think you can do it after about 50 tries. Like up, yes. Man, I actually saw Olga hustling a little bit. Usually she's chilling. This little shrine. You can make it. This is the smallest hike in the world. Short little hike to the top. I actually like this island because there's lots of shade. Not too big. Wow, such a beautiful view up here. We're at the top. That took like 2 minutes. Let's check it out. What was it?
Here,
What?
big bag.
Oh,
Big flying bag.
hello, what are you? There's lots, look, there's lots of white islands with sandy beaches around here. What a beautiful view. See all those white beaches out there?
Yeah.
This is what makes the Philippines so incredible. Over 7,000 islands. It's like impossible to see them all.
I think it's possible to see all.
Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always crack. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Think I'm tired of being broken. Thinking love is just a waste of time. The higher that I'm hoping, the quicker that I fall. And I guess I want it to be easy, but it's never ever easy. I always end up let down. Take all my love, this is tragic. I could replace it with plastic. Think maybe then I'd be fine. All these skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always crack. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Over all of these emotions, getting dizzy, roller coaster ride. Lock the door and keep it closed, yeah. Better off if I just stay inside. Cause I want it to be easy, but it's never really easy. Falling till I'm upside down. Take all this love, you can have it. I could replace it with static. Think maybe then I'd be fine. All these skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always crack. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always crack. I wish that I could make it stop. Wish that you could turn a heart off.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching the next video.